Hi guys, I'm Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com. That's my food blog where I share all of the meals and the recipes that I make for my family each week. I am always asked about ingredients because I feel like, I'm a home cook, but I typically do use a lot of ingredients in most of my meals. But I'm always asked, hey, do you have any ingredients that are like 5 ingredients or any meals that are 5 ingredients or less? So I actually did you one better this week, guys. These are all 4 ingredient or less recipes. Now I should clarify, my freebies are olive oil, kosher salt, and pepper. So those are not counting towards the ingredients. But you can find all of these recipes at my food blog, which is cookswellwithothers.com. Also, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell to my YouTube channel so that you are always notified every time I post a new weekly meal plan. So here we go with this week's 4 ingredient or less meals. So for the first one, we have a flank steak, and it has a blue cheese garlic butter that goes on top. The blue cheese garlic butter is what makes it over the top amazing. We also have Firecracker chicken bites. I actually made those in the air fryer, and it has kind of a sweet and spicy sauce that goes with it. We also have a 1-pan meal. It is buttermilk ranch chicken, again sticking with the 4 or less ingredient theme. And then for the weekend, I always share something either kind of fun and snacky or something that's a little bit more involved. This week we're going with snacky. These are air fryer mac and cheese bites, and it uses a little help from the store by using the Bob Evans mac and cheese for these crispy mac and cheese bites. I hope that you guys have a great week. I hope that you enjoy this week's recipes and come by next week for more dinner ideas.